I actually can't do with dying crashing anymore. It's so fucking annoying, even though I can't help it.
Can Dying's computer?
You're fucking joking there.
Can Dying's computer not crash for a second?
I don't know. It's not my computer.
And of
it's my
course, it's a
Roblox
one-lap
game.
shootout, so basically perfect or die.
Perfect or die.
Logan, you retard!
We all know who's
retard.
not.
You're a retard.
We all know who's not making
Logan,
this
you're the
one.
who just slammed full speed into me.
Damn, what an idiot.
Yes, because I can. And
Shut up! No, you can't.
yes, I can. I have all the rights.
No, I'm inside. I'm inside, Logan.
Oh.
I'm going to the outside, bozo.
This is the inside, you retard. It's the Watkins Glen. You turn right.
You like my random emoji I sent?
Yes.
Where in the world is
maybe so.
Dying? Just come in and die.
I'm gonna literally smash your position, Logan. Okay, I'm gonna.
Did you say you were gonna smash him?
No. Fire. I said I was gonna smash you, Sepsi.
Please.
Whoa, fire's my stepsis confirmed?
Yeah.
Whoa. No, that's staying on my
I have a lot of activities planned, wink wink.
I still got Logan.
Dying, work together to kill Logan.
Yes.
Yes.
Even Logan agrees with it.
You're gonna
Alright.
kill
And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Green flag. One left shootout on the stage.
What?
Oh, he turns them! It doesn't work! Logan,
you idiot!
Shark goes around!
Bro, every time! I'm wrecking Dying with me.
And dot Shark!
Come on, Shark!
Oh my god!
Tangled up!
Yes, I can win this!
Tangled up.
Oh shit, Shark is
Logan
behind
got the
me!
worst of it all.
Yeah!
I don't know how that works, but it did.
Shark, we did it!
Oh!
What is that
Shark is
combo?
loose!
What is that combo, bro?
That's a double
Holy
slammer!
You came up on me.
That's a double slammer burger up your ass
You guys
combo!
wrecked into me, and there was nothing I could do. I had to turn it.
Shark decided to come and die in front of the entire field.
No!
Shark is really sideways.
And then he wrecked Dying, and then Dying got into me.
Number 1.
This is the first stage
Shark
still?
to Dying.
Off the wall now.
Shark trying to get the draft on this straightaway.
No, Dying, can you maybe crash right now if you could? Dying, you messed up
Dying
twice.
got in the wall.
No,
That's the second area. That's the second time Dying's messed up there.
Here comes Shark.
I
Shark
know
is
I'm not
gaining.
gonna win the
He's
stage,
loose.
but that's the second time. There was really nothing I could do when Logan dumped me.
Dying wins stage number 1. Here at Watkins.
You know what turnaround is?
I did, and I turned it into Dying because no one gave me room.
You couldn't have possibly won the stage, but there's 2 more stages.
Logan, do you know what clean racing is?
Yeah, no.
Of course he does.
Logan, I hope you know you're not intimidating because we all know you're gonna wreck on the lap. Because we all know you're gonna end up wrecking yourself when you try to wreck us.
On the lap? What lap, bozo?
You're a bozo. Shut up.
You know you
need
cannot
fuel.
be talking. You cannot be saying bozo.
I need fuel.
Dying's refueling, so that puts Dying behind.
It doesn't really
How
matter.
fast does the fuel drain?
Pretty fast. I'm at 18K. I might. I'm not sure. I'm thinking.
I'm definitely pitting. Yep.
I'm gonna wait to see if there's
a strategy, and I'm gonna pit. I'm not risking it.
I think there's gonna be another caution. You know why? Because Logan's here.
Correct.
Makes sense. Oh!
I'm
kidding. It's a bit.
Plus, if things just get really bad, I can just go purposely wreck myself so I can
Somebody might go into death hole.
There's no death wall.
Yeah.
Dying, why? Why
But
can't you
Shark
just
got
not
error
do
from
that?
It's
I'm
fun.
one
Shark
car
is going
dying.
risky and is not pitting.
I know there's gonna be a caution because Logan's here.
Wait, I got out first, so that means I'm here.
This
Wait,
will last me like a couple laps, so I should
Wait.
be able.
Shark, watch
to
this.
hold out till Logan dies
Shark, watch this. Hold up. Wait,
or
watch.
dying crashes.
Shark, watch this. I'm gonna just go on the completely opposite side.
Dying computer crashes.
Fire, look at this double file lining up, bro.
This double file lining up at its finest.
Oh, y'all are doing
That way,
something.
since Logan's on the inside, he's the furthest away from you.
At my cart, it jumped.
Is it nice?
Your car jumped.
Is it nice? Let me ruin it.
Nigga, learn to drive. Shark, get back
He
in
just
line.
piled into Shark. Shark, get back in line.
You're
Oh,
blaming me for that?
Yeah, I'm blaming you for that. Learn how
Oh,
to
I'm
dodge.
typing some. Alright, dying, you got the code names?
Logan chose
Dying,
the
when do you want
outside
to commit?
lines.
Dying, when do you want to commit
Car
Subway?
No.
Alright, Logan, that's good. Stay right there, Logan. That is perfect.
Dying, when do you want to commit? Dying, if there's no caution, I might commit. Dying, if there's no caution, I might commit chicken nuggets. But when do you want to commit Subway?
Whenever you really want. No.
All right, I'll tell you when we should commit Subway.
Hey, you looking at shit, Logan?
Fire, do not tell him. If you tell him, Fire, I will kill you.
I'm not gonna tell him.
Better not, monkey. Alright, let's go.
Okay, so chicken nuggets means kill Logan.
That's not what it means, actually. I actually swear. Fire, be
Butthole
honest.
means
Not what it means.
kill yourself.
Hold up, I'm not
Hey,
in my car.
Let him know that.
I don't want him thinking when I say chicken nuggets that I'm gonna kill him.
Can we go, you monkey?
Alright, ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
We've been begging
Alright,
you for the past.
3, 2, 1. Stage number 2 is underway.
Oh, God!
Logan with a really good start.
I almost was about to say commit Subway. No!
Here comes Logan!
Commit Subway!
Logan!
Fucking move it,
Logan is
dipshit!
dying around.
You killed.
I'm trying!
You killed dying.
Alright, let's go!
We body ram Shark.
No! Hey, let me go!
Shark, keep
This is
going!
I said I'm not letting you go!
My car wasn't
This is so
going, so
smart.
you still got the gun.
This is D2 for a reason! Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
You nigger!
Fire, you gotta admit this is funny. You gotta admit, Fire, this is funny.
I can't get off the wall.
Our Shark is gone.
I did Subway and then I accidentally wrecked everybody because I could just do
What
this.
Subway is. You can't tell me what else it is.
What do you think it is?
It's cool, all the nigger.
You committed.
Alright, I'm gonna commit chicken nuggets. I'm gonna commit chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Sorry I wrecked you in the process, dying. This is D2 for a reason.
It's good, it's funny as shit, bro.
I knew that was gonna happen. See, this is meant to be funny though. Like, this is kind of meant to be funny.
Yeah, you gotta admit that was fucking funny.
That was honestly really
Alright, I'm committing chicken nuggets.
And Shark heads down pit road.
Bro, I'm body ramming Logan so we can't get any decisions.
That's what she said.
Fire, shut up, you're my steps, my game crashed.